Hey, you should recognize this guy. He's the cameraman for my other videos. My son, at the time 7 years old, not long after his mom finally gave him permission to hunt. She's now confident that he won't turn into a serial killer if he's allowed to hunt. And I would like to take this opportunity to say that between the hunting and the time with our pets and the time with his mom and sisters, he's really becoming a mature young man.
I believe he's developing a balanced sense of responsibility as well as compassion for his pets as well as the animals we pursue hunting. This is a tip I've used successfully many times. However, as you'll see here on his first shot of the squirrel, the blunt tip and the slow speed does not do the job. After this shot, we put on broadheads and things started to change. A couple days later, with a broadhead, this was a shot. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on video, but it was really exciting for us.
Yes! Okay, stand up.
I hope you enjoyed this video, but please keep in mind it's just the beginning. We learned a lot and we're looking forward to making a lot more quality footage this coming year. With the slow speed that he was drawing and shooting, it made us get really close to the squirrels, but that makes it challenging because they can see almost every movement. Look for next year having a lot more shots, probably from blinds, and as he gets older and stronger, the range will increase with the speed of the bow. Hey, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and come on back.